Hello traders, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is April the 15th and today we're going to be looking at Microsoft. Here is a 45 minutes time frame, which is similar to the 60 minutes, basically 1 hour time frame. We can see right here we have stabilized a little bit after a very volatile week, right, with all the tariff war going on. And we can see here, shorter cycle at least, that Microsoft has started to rally after the initial sell-off. And if you look at the structure of the rally, currently we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 swing sequence. Now, before anybody says there is an overlap, well, overlap is okay as long as it is within with 1, with 5, with A, with C. That is called a diagonal. Okay. Now, so that means since we do have a 5 swing up, this one over here, it is higher than this peak. So that actually increased the odds of another leg up, because as you know, 5 swing is a motive sequence. So most likely then we can say that as long as we stay above 338, most likely we can see another leg up. So we're going to be expecting this 5 swing to finish soon. And then after that, we're going to get a 3-ish pullback to correct this entire 5 swing. And then after that, we can see more upside again, as long as the pullback doesn't break below 338. The pullback should be in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing, because that's a corrective sequence. All right, so this is basically what we are showing here is a 3 swing. Now, basically, in order to know where exactly the pullback is going to end, you have to actually wait for the pullback to happen. Now, unless the pullback happens, you don't really know what the area is. Now, this is just to give you an illustration what could possibly happen. That doesn't necessarily mean that the pullback will hit 364 as some people think it is showing here. It's not. So you have to wait patiently for 3 swings pullback to happen, and then once you identify the first and the second leg of the correction, then you can measure what the potential area of support from the C leg or from the third leg, okay, with the Fibonacci extension tool. Now, if I zoom out to the larger time frame, I'm looking at the daily time frame now, and I'm gonna put this width to here on the daily, which is this one. So you notice here, again, in the shorter cycle, this rally is in a 5 swing as we just saw earlier. Now, if you look at the daily, you can see clearly this pullback so far is in a 3 swing, which is by itself is not bearish. So if you do the extension, you can see that we are actually bouncing from where we are supposed to bounce, which is the 100% extension area. So there's no extension on the third leg, unlike impulse where the third leg will reach 161.8. We don't have that, and then it started to bounce where it's supposed to bounce in a bullish market. So overall, when we look at this higher time frame, it still does not break the bullish nature of the at least for this specific stock. Okay, now does it mean that it's for sure guaranteed now we are ready to go to new high? No, but this decline here implies that this cycle is already complete, because it is only a 3 swing, and especially if this can continue to go higher again. Now, if we sell off immediately from here, then that's a different story. It could become like a 5 swing down or something like that. But again, so far what we saw is a 3 swings bouncing from the 100% without any extension, and the rally in the 1 hour on the shorter cycle is in a 5. So what that means is that most likely the odds are we should be able to get at least another leg up because of the 5 swing rally from here. So let's say something like this is a higher odds now, right? Now, if this is really the end of the correction, then this truly can become 1, 2, and then 3 like this, and 4 and 5, and then starts to do something like this, and finally breaks to new high. However, if it is not ready to go to new high, then what can happen is this could be in the form of an ABC and fail again and then do a bigger pullback. But regardless whether it is going to new high or whether it is going to be doing another leg lower. The 5 swing, again, I'm going to emphasize the 5 swing in the short cycle, that will increase the odds of another leg up again. Either that's in the form of a C leg or it's in the form of wave 3 on the upside. Okay, so that's the update here for today. As always, we're going to keep updating Microsoft in our service. We have 14 days trial. If you like, you can check out our service. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.